What did you do yesterday?
I worked all day.
Were you at home yesterday?
Yes, I was at home.
Did you get up early yesterday?
Yes, I got up early.
Did you drink coffee yesterday?
Yes, I drank coffee.
What did you eat for breakfast yesterday?
I ate toast with butter.
Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I studied English.
How long did you study English?
I studied for 1 hour.
Were you tired yesterday?
Yes, I was a bit tired.
Did you listen to music yesterday?
Yes, I listened to music.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
No, I did not watch TV.
Were you outside yesterday?
Yes, I went outside for a moment.
Did you go for a walk yesterday?
Yes, I took a walk.
Where did you walk?
I walked in the park.
Was the weather good yesterday?
Yes, it was sunny.
Did you shop yesterday?
Yes, I shopped at the grocery store.
What did you buy?
I bought fruit and vegetables.
Were you busy yesterday?
Yes, I had a lot to do.
Did you cook yesterday?
Yes, I cooked at home.
What did you cook?
I cooked pasta.
Did you eat alone yesterday?
Yes, I ate alone.
Was your day calm yesterday?
Yes, it was calm.
Did you meet friends yesterday?
No, I did not meet friends.
Did you call anyone yesterday?
Yes, I made a call.
Who did you call?
I called my mom.
Did you talk a lot yesterday?
No, I was rather quiet.
Did you read emails yesterday?
Yes, I read my emails.
Did you write anything yesterday?
Yes, I wrote a message.
Were you downtown yesterday?
No, I was not downtown.
Did you ride the bus yesterday?
Yes, I rode the bus.
Was the bus full?
Yes, the bus was full.
Did you exercise yesterday?
No, I did not exercise.
Were you tired in the evening yesterday?
Yes, I was very tired.
Did you shower yesterday?
Yes, I showered.
Did you tidy up yesterday?
Yes, I cleaned my apartment.
Did you read yesterday?
Yes, I read a book.
Was the book interesting?
Yes, it was interesting.
Did you laugh yesterday?
Yes, I laughed.
Why did you laugh?
I saw something funny.
Did you learn a lot yesterday?
Yes, I learned a lot.
Was yesterday a good day?
Yes, it was a good day.
Did you forget anything yesterday?
No, I forgot nothing.
Did you lose anything yesterday?
No, I lost nothing.
Were you on time yesterday?
Yes, I was on time.
Did you have stress yesterday?
No, I had no stress.
Did you eat yesterday?
Yes, I ate well.
What did you eat for lunch yesterday?
I ate rice.
Did you drink tea yesterday?
Yes, I drank tea.
Were you happy yesterday?
Yes, I was happy.
Did you go to bed early yesterday?
Yes, I went to bed early.
Did you sleep well yesterday?
Yes, I slept well.
Did you plan anything yesterday?
No, I planned nothing.
Was your evening calm yesterday?
Yes, my evening was calm.
Did you help someone yesterday?
Yes, I helped my neighbor.
Were you satisfied yesterday?
Yes, I was satisfied.
Was yesterday an ordinary day?
Yes, it was a normal day.
What did you do the day before yesterday?
I worked at home.
Were you tired the day before yesterday?
Yes, I was quite tired.
Did you sleep early the day before yesterday?
Yes, I went to bed early.
Did you eat breakfast yesterday morning?
Yes, I ate breakfast.
What did you do yesterday morning?
I took a shower and drank coffee.
Did you eat lunch yesterday?
Yes, I had lunch.
Where did you eat lunch yesterday?
I ate at home.
Did you cook or order food yesterday?
I cooked myself.
Was your food tasty?
Yes, it was very tasty.
Did you drink water yesterday?
Yes, I drank a lot of water.
Did you take a walk yesterday?
Yes, I took a short walk.
Were you alone then?
Yes, I was alone.
Did you think a lot yesterday?
Yes, I thought a lot.
What did you think about?
About my day and my plans.
Did you plan something yesterday?
Yes, I planned the next day.
Did you write something down yesterday?
Yes, I made notes.
Did you see something new yesterday?
Yes, I watched a new movie.
Was the movie good?
Yes, it was very good.
Did you laugh or cry yesterday?
I laughed.
Did you look at your phone for long yesterday?
No, not very long.
Did you read news yesterday?
Yes, I read the news.
Was the news interesting?
Yes, some was interesting.
Did you meet someone yesterday?
No, I met no one.
Did you get visitors yesterday?
No, I had no visitors.
Did you fix something yesterday?
No, I fixed nothing.
Did you look for something yesterday?
Yes, I looked for my key.
Did you find it?
Yes, I found it.
Where was the key?
It was in my bag.
Did you clean yesterday?
Yes, I cleaned a bit.
Did you open the window yesterday?
Yes, I let fresh air in.
Did you listen to music yesterday?
Yes, I listened to soft music.
Did you dance yesterday?
No, I did not dance.
Did you learn something yesterday?
Yes, I learned new sentences.
Did you speak a lot yesterday?
No, I spoke little.
Did you write yesterday?
Yes, I wrote an email.
Did you print something yesterday?
No, I printed nothing.
Did you buy something yesterday?
Yes, I bought bread.
Was the store crowded?
Yes, the store was crowded.
Did you wait in line yesterday?
Yes, I waited a short time.
Did you spend money yesterday?
Yes, a little.
Did you pack your bag yesterday?
Yes, I packed my bag.
Did you start on time yesterday?
Yes, I started on time.
Did you stop on time yesterday?
Yes, I stopped on time.
Was your day long yesterday?
No, it was not very long.
Did you forget something yesterday?
No, not this time.
Did you need help yesterday?
No, I managed well.
Did you help someone yesterday?
No, not yesterday.
Did you share something yesterday?
No, I shared nothing.
Did you sleep in the afternoon yesterday?
No, I did not nap.
Did you sit outside yesterday?
Yes, for a short time on a bench.
Was it quiet outside?
Yes, it was very quiet.
Did you enjoy the evening yesterday?
Yes, I enjoyed the evening.
Did you have a good ending yesterday?
Yes, the day ended well.
Were you pleased with yourself yesterday?
Yes, I was pleased.
Did you feel grateful yesterday?
Yes, I was grateful.
Did you fall asleep calmly yesterday?
Yes, I fell asleep calmly.
What did you do last week?
I studied a lot.
Were you busy last week?
Yes, I was pretty busy.
Did you work last week?
Yes, I worked every day.
Did you study English last week?
Yes, I studied English every day.
How long did you study last week?
I studied about 1 hour each day.
Were you tired last week?
Yes, I was often tired at night.
Did you sleep enough last week?
Yes, I usually slept well.
Did you get up early last week?
Yes, I got up early.
Did you eat breakfast last week?
Yes, I ate breakfast every morning.
What did you eat for breakfast last week?
I ate bread, yogurt, and fruit.
Did you go shopping last week?
Yes, I went to the grocery store.
What did you buy there?
I bought groceries.
Did you cook last week?
Yes, I cooked often.
Did you cook something new?
Yes, I tried a new dish.
Was the food tasty?
Yes, it tasted good.
Did you drink a lot last week?
Yes, I drank lots of water.
Were you outside last week?
Yes, I was outside often.
Did you walk last week?
Yes, almost every day.
Where did you walk?
In my neighborhood and in the park.
Was the weather good last week?
Yes, mostly it was good.
Did you exercise last week?
No, I didn't exercise.
Did you still move around?
Yes, I walked a lot.
Did you listen to music last week?
Yes, very often.
What music did you listen to?
Calm music.
Did you watch TV last week?
Yes, I watch TV at night.
What did you watch on TV?
A series.
Was the series good?
Yes, it was exciting.
Did you read a book last week?
Yes, I read a book.
How many pages did you read?
About 50 pages.
Did you write last week?
Yes, I wrote messages.
Did you call anyone last week?
Yes, I called friends.
Were you alone last week?
No, not always.
Did you have visitors last week?
No, I had no visitors.
Did you visit someone last week?
Yes, I visited a friend.
Where did you visit her?
At her home.
Did you laugh last week?
Yes, very often.
Were there stressful moments too?
Yes, a few.
Did you handle the stress well?
Yes, I stayed calm.
Did you forget anything last week?
No, I was organized.
Did you lose anything last week?
No, luckily not.
Were you punctual last week?
Yes, always.
Did you plan something last week?
Yes, my next week.
Did you write your plans down?
Yes, in a notebook.
Did you take breaks last week?
Yes, every day.
Did you have enough time for yourself last week?
Yes, I had enough time.
Were you satisfied last week?
Yes, I was satisfied.
Was last week a good week?
Yes, it was a good week.
Did you learn something new last week?
Yes, new English words.
Did you use what you learned?
Yes, I used it.
Did you help someone last week?
Yes, a coworker.
Did that feel good?
Yes, very good.
Did you feel thankful last week?
Yes, often.
Did you sleep well last week?
Yes, most nights.
Did you fall asleep calmly?
Yes, mostly.
Did last week pass quickly?
Yes, it went by fast.
Did you enjoy last week?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Were you pleased with yourself last week?
Yes, I was.
What did you do last weekend?
I rested.
Were you home last weekend?
Yes, I stayed home a lot.
Did you sleep in last weekend?
Yes, I slept late.
Did you get up late?
Yes, I got up late.
Did you eat breakfast this weekend?
Yes, I ate breakfast in peace.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread and fruit.
Did you cook this weekend?
Yes, I cooked my own food.
What did you cook?
I cooked vegetables with rice.
Was the food good?
Yes, it was very good.
Did you have visitors this weekend?
No, I had no visitors.
Did you visit anyone?
No, I stayed at home.
Were you outside this weekend?
Yes, I took a walk.
Where did you walk?
I walked in the park.
Was the weather nice?
Yes, it was sunny.
Did you exercise this weekend?
No, I did no exercise.
Did you move anyway?
Yes, I walked a lot.
Did you listen to music?
Yes, I listened to a lot of music.
What music did you listen to?
Calm music.
Did you watch TV this weekend?
Yes, I watched a movie.
Was the movie good?
Yes, it was interesting.
Did you read this weekend?
Yes, I read a book.
Was the book exciting?
Yes, very exciting.
Did you work on your phone this weekend?
No, just a little.
Did you send messages?
Yes, a few messages.
Did you call anyone?
Yes, with a friend.
Was the call nice?
Yes, we laughed a lot.
Did you tidy up this weekend?
Yes, I cleaned my apartment.
Did you clean?
Yes, a bit.
Did you do laundry?
Yes, I did laundry.
Were you tired this weekend?
No, I was relaxed.
Did you rest?
Yes, a lot.
Did you learn anything this weekend?
Yes, a little English.
Did you study vocabulary?
Yes, new words.
Did you enjoy learning?
Yes, it was calm.
Did you plan anything this weekend?
No, I was spontaneous.
Did you forget something?
No, nothing important.
Did you lose anything?
No, luckily not.
Were you happy this weekend?
Yes, I was very content.
Did you laugh?
Yes, often.
Were there quiet moments too?
Yes, many.
Did you spend time alone?
Yes, that felt good.
Did you sleep in the afternoon?
No, but I lay down.
Did you sleep well this weekend?
Yes, I slept well.
Did you go to bed late?
No, rather early.
Did you shower or bathe this weekend?
Yes, I showered.
Did you use warm water?
Yes, that was pleasant.
Did you feel good?
Yes, very well.
Did the weekend pass quickly?
Yes, sadly.
Was it a good weekend?
Yes, it was very good.
Did you enjoy the weekend?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
Were you pleased with yourself?
Yes, I was pleased.
Did the weekend help you?
Yes, it helped me.
Were you ready for the new week?
Yes, I was ready.